Hey everybody, so just gonna try to make a quick video of this Sargent Enviromental padlock. It's a pretty hefty lock, and this is the only disc detainer lock that I've ever picked. It's only got 3 discs inside of here, so it's extremely easy. I think I picked this thing within the first 10 minutes of trying. This used to be Kokomo Locks, and he has a video on it, so I kind of just watched his video and then boom, it was open. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set I'm gonna set everything to 0. That's what I'm gonna do. So trying to work at an angle here, but you can see it's locked, and clock them all at 0. Then I'm just using a 40 thousandths pry bar to rotate them. There's only 3 discs inside this lock that can only be at 3. There's only 3 different cuts on this lock, and 3 cuts, 3 discs. Even if you had to go one by one trying all the different orders, you would probably figure it out pretty quick. Almost got it. Something's not right though. Trying to this is one lock that I'm not able to look through the screen or look through the camera and see what I'm doing, because I actually have to look down inside the keyway. Alright, so I think I got the back one in the right spot. Well, until I just moved it. Oops. That's it. I didn't think I was going to get it at all there for a second. I'm trying to look around the keyway, but there it is, unlocked, this detainer. So I'll just go ahead and show you what I've learned from messing with this thing. So there's only 3 cuts, 3 possible cuts or angles that these can be at. And so this side of the disc, all the way rotated as far as it will go, would be 0. So that would be, I think it's like this. So that disc at this angle, 0, 45, and then 90 is about right there. So on this lock, it says it's a 01, so I imagine that's probably the 101 or 501. I don't have any other one of these, and I've never had a key in my hand, but it's an 01, and the back disc is at a 45, the middle one is at 90, and then the front is at 0. So what I do is, or what it's worked for me. Instead of trying to set them all and then move back to the front, I'll set the 45, set the 0, and then the 90 would be turning it back from 0. So 0's up here, 45, 90. So I'll set the 45 in the center, which is the last one. Then I'll set the very front one, which is at 0, which is up here. And since I have to turn it this way to unlock it, I'll set the middle one last, which is at the 90, and then it just turns. And whenever I turn it, if I've got all the other two discs lined up, then when I turn it to 90, it will turn past 90 and locks open. Thanks guys for watching. That's the Sargent and Greenleaf Enviromental padlock. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.